Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook page on your iPhone or your Android device or any of the devices that you are using, whether it is Samsung, Realme, Xiaomi, OnePlus, etc. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application on your device. Afterwards, you just have to log into it with that particular profile of yours on which you have multiple pages, or the profile on which you want to basically delete the page. So once you are inside, tap on the profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here on this page, tap on this hamburger icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. So what this is going to do is, it is going to show you the shortcuts of all of the pages that you have created on this particular profile. So here you just have to scroll down, then tap on the option of settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, look for the option of settings. So over here in the settings, tap on the option of see the account center. Now here in the account center, simply just scroll down, then tap on the option of personal details. Over here in the personal details section, look for the option of account ownership and control. After tapping on this option, you will be landed here on this page where you will see the deactivation and the deletion option. So tap on this particular option. Afterwards, you need to select your same profile on which you have your pages available. Now, between delete and deactivate, simply select the deactivate option and then simply continue. Now here it is going to show you all of the pages that are available on this particular profile. So instead of selecting your profile, you just have to tap on that particular page which you want to basically deactivate. If you want to deactivate all of your pages that are linked to this particular profile, it is going to show you that all of your following pages will be deactivated. So here you can continue with that particular page which you want to basically deactivate. Afterwards, on the next page, you just have to confirm it by providing your password. So this way your page will be hidden from your public profile and you will be able to basically reactivate it when you log in into your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.